Let us sing once again because we are here 2,000 above students and teachers. Our voices are not enough. Tomorrow on Friday on our Jubilee Day,
50 years of blessings, Lord,
together,
we see
and
your
if there is
hand.
no sound coming out,
Through every joy and trial,
residents,
you've
South
helped us stand.
though you are standing there,
Your
please
mercy
open your mouth and
has
speak.
carried us
And only this
day by day.
me louder.
Your faithfulness has lit our way. By your grace, we stand, oh Lord. By your love, we move forward from the golden years to what's to come, till we reach 1,000 suns. Guide us, Lord, faithfully from this jubilee
to eternity. You've been our shelter through storm and light, our song in the morning, our peace at night.
Saint Mary stands today because you've been near.
Your voice has led us here by your grace. We stand, oh Lord, by your love. We move forward from the golden years to what's to come, till we reach 1,000 suns. Guide us, Lord, faithfully from this jubilee to eternity.
If you could bring us 50 years, we know you'll guide the rest from this mountain.